Hey you guys, it's me Tiff the Gift and I am back with another Watch Me Slay. And this video I recorded so long ago and I was just not really confident on me doing this because it was on myself. Just insecurities about, what I look like and I had no makeup on. But you know what? I decided just to put it out there. Hope you guys enjoy what I'm doing. Just to let you know, it is not easy installing your wig on camera, or just installing your wig on yourself. I have the hardest time installing my own wigs versus my clients. It's just something that I had to work on, but I decided to let you guys see what I'm doing here. So what I'm doing right now is I am applying some color. I could have did the watercolor method, but I had a color in mind, and that's what I went with. I actually ran out of color, so I had to mix a little bit of everything. So I can't really tell you exactly what I used, but when I do another video, I will. And I am doing the roots. I'm doing like an ash brown. I think this is a 4A that I use, and it made like a more of a shadow root, which I loved. And you will see later in another clip how the color came out. Hope you guys enjoy, and like and subscribe and comment below. So foremost, I want to say, excuse my mess going on over here. This is where I do a lot of my wig colors, so a lot of the color gets on my desk, but we're not here for that. We're here for how I do this wig. So right now, I wanted to add some crimps in there to, make it look all fancy and stuff. I don't really like straight hair on me, so it's either curled or crimps, and crimps won. So here I am using some hairspray, and if you want to know what crimper I'm using, I will leave that information in the description box below. Just braiding my hair back. I do about, I'm not sure, like 8 braids. Usually I don't even do that many. When I'm doing my wig installs, I will usually do like 2 flat twists. So this is a lot for me to do on camera. I'm hoping you guys get what I'm trying to say, what I'm doing. So now I decided to put some makeup on. I was tired of looking at my face. I needed something. It's not the best makeup, but it looks good after the wig was installed. So hope you guys are enjoying what I have so far. Like I said, this took a lot for me to put out. But you know what? If you care what people think too much, you will never be successful in life. So here I am applying some bold hold to apply my wig. Thanks for watching my channel. Please go and like and subscribe. Thanks for being big supportive of me. This took a lot of me to upload. So here's the finished product. Follow me on Instagram at Gifted Wigs and also my personal Instagram, Tiff the Hairstylist. Have a good day. Bye.